Check out this channel. All they do is copy videos from Chinese apps, translate them into Indian language, and re-upload them on YouTube. They already have 8.5 million followers and 2.2 billion views and are monetized. Just imagine the crazy money they are making both through AdSense and affiliate marketing. This is a massive opportunity for you to jump on right now because YouTube and Instagram are banned in China. Yes, you heard that right. China has their own versions of these platforms where they share tons of amazing videos. These apps are gold mines for trending videos. You can copy these trending videos and re-upload them on YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels without any worry about copyright issues because these videos are not on YouTube or Instagram. And guess what? Hardly anyone is doing this in English yet. This is a massive opportunity for you to jump on right now. In this video, I'll show you how to find fun, trending videos from Chinese apps, translate them to English, add your own twist, and upload them to YouTube or Instagram. It's super easy, and you can do it all in less than 10 minutes with the help of AI tools. Let's get started. Step 1. Finding the videos on Chinese apps. First, let's find some trending videos on popular Chinese apps like Douyin, China's TikTok, and Kuaishou. Here's how. Open your browser and search for Kuaishou app download. Click on the link from appcombo.com and download the APK version of the app. Alternatively, you can find Kuaishou on the Play Store or App Store and install it on your phone. Once installed, open the app and go to the Trend section. You'll find tons of interesting trending videos here. Look for videos with thousands or even millions of views. Let's pick one with almost 1 million views. This video has high engagement and likes, meaning people find it interesting. It will likely be popular on YouTube too. Next, click on the share button and copy the video link. Make sure you only copy the link without extra text. To download the video, go to your browser and type shuianle.com. Paste the video link in the provided field and click Parse. Select Download the video. When the video opens, click the 3 dots and choose Download to save the video to your device. Step 2. Creating the script. Now let's create a script for the video. First, we need to understand what is being said in the video. Since it's in Chinese, we'll transcribe it into English using a powerful AI tool called Aurus. I've attached a link to Aurus in the description of this video. Register, log in, and answer 3 quick questions to get started. Click the Upload button, select your video, and upload it. Choose Transcript, select English, and click Upload. Wait a few moments for the transcription to complete. Once done, copy the entire text and paste it into a Google Doc. Now, let's improve the transcribed text. Add speaker labels to separate each speaker's dialogue. This helps clarify who is speaking. We need to rewrite the script to make it more interesting. The transcription may contain some inappropriate language, so we'll use ChatGPT to rewrite it more respectfully and humorously. To do this, copy the script and go to ChatGPT. Ask ChatGPT to rewrite the content in a respectful but humorous way. In a few seconds, you'll have an improved version of the script. Copy it and paste it back into your Google Doc. And just like that, our script is ready. Before we continue, if you found this video helpful so far, please like and subscribe to our channel. Your support means a lot. Step 3. Voiceover. Let's make our video even more exciting with great voiceovers. We'll use 11 Labs, a fantastic AI tool that makes text sound like real people talking. It has lots of different natural-sounding voices, so it won't sound like a robot at all. You can find the link to 11 Labs in the description below. First, open your Google document and copy the first speaker's dialogue. Then go to 11 Labs website and paste the text into the box you see there. Pick a voice you like. There are many options. Click on Menu, then Voices and Library. You'll see tons of voices, including male, female, and even children's voices. You can also choose different accents like American, British, African, Australian, and more. Once you find the perfect voice, add it to your library and go back to speech. Now, let's choose Todd Thomas for our first speaker.
All right, folks. Today we're tackling the legendary sling slide. Slide to the middle and you win the glory. Ready? Who's brave enough to go first?
Adjust the settings if you need to, and click Generate. In just a few seconds, your voiceover will be ready. Listen to it and download it if you like it. Next, do the same for our second speaker. Go back to your Google Doc, copy the second speaker's dialogue, and paste it into 11 Labs. Delete the first dialogue and select a new voice that fits the character.
Excellence is not a skill, it is an attitude.
Adjust the settings if needed, and click Generate. After a few seconds, download the new voiceover. Repeat this process for all the speakers. Use the same voice for each character throughout the video to keep it consistent. And just like that, our voiceovers are ready. Step 4. Repurpose the video with editing and voiceovers. Time to make our video unique and fun. We'll use CapCut, an easy online video editing tool perfect for beginners. With CapCut, you can edit videos quickly, even if you've never done it before. To get started, click the link in the description to create a new account. Once logged in, click Create Project. Next, click Import and upload the video we downloaded. Drag the video to the timeline, click on Audio, and mute the original sound. Now, let's add our English voiceovers from 11 Labs. Click Import again, upload all the voiceovers, and drag the first speaker's audio to the timeline below the video. Make sure it lines up perfectly for natural lip syncing. Cut and paste the dialogue so everything matches up. Then add some humor with funny sound effects. Click Audio at the top, select Sound Effects, and search for ones you like. Drag them to the timeline where you want them to play. To hide the Chinese subtitles, we'll add our own. Click Text at the top, then Auto Caption. Select English and click Generate. Your captions will appear automatically. Choose a text style with a background from templates and place it over the Chinese subtitles. You can also add filters and transitions for better quality. Save your work and let CapCut render your video. Now let's watch our creation.
All right, folks. Today we're tackling the legendary sling slide. Slide to the middle and you win the glory. Ready? Who's brave enough to go first?
Do this. 3, 2, 1, slide.
Wait. Why are you sliding standing up? Kneel down, slide like a pro.
Did you not mention that earlier?
Well, you didn't ask. Got it now? All right, keep going. Watch closely. It's easier to see your funny face if you stand. Ready? 3, 2, 1, slide, slide, slide. You lovable goofball. The key is to let loose, not control everything.
Oops, my bad. Let's try again.
Come on, you got this.
Nice job. Oh, wait. Are you messing with us again?
Isn't that fantastic? Remember, this is just a guide. Add your own creativity to make it funny and original. So there you have it. A simple way to make money by repurposing videos from Chinese apps and posting them on YouTube. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more money-making tips.